Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the house of Swiss Arabian. Yes, they are true house. They make everything in the house, from the very raw material to the perfume themselves. So they are a true house from United Arab Emirates, from Middle East, and they have quite an extensive lineup in their portfolio in terms of perfumes. There are many of them. I unboxed and reviewed at least about 10 perfumes from them, and each of them was very impressive, especially for the price. So this one is from the Shaghaf line. The Shaghaf line, they have around 6 or 7 of them. I reviewed 3 of them before, and this is the 4th one, and this one is called Shaghaf Abyad. Shaghaf Abyad, and this is Swiss Arabian Eau de Parfum, 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £30, and let's see how it goes. But before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money and they smell great. Thank you for your support. So sorry about the noise. Come on, switch that again. So as it says Abyad, Abyad in Arabic means white, so the all coloration is white. Shaghaf Abyad, and this is Eau de Parfum, 100 ml. It's targeted unisex, and let's see how it goes. The usual Shaghaf bottle and the box, everything is the usual, but a different coloration. I like this line. They are very attractive on the eye and very good on the hand, especially for a price under £30. They are very good looking bottles. So very heavy bottle, very thick glass, and the cap is quite heavy and weight to it, and it's a mixture of plastic and metal, and the atomizer is modern and silver. And here we go. The atomizer is good, but it's not great. It doesn't go psh, it goes psh, 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 which is, you know, it does the job. So how is Swiss Arabian Oud Abyad, Shaghaf Oud Abyad Eau de Parfum, 100 ml. Here we go. First sniff, first impression. Every time these Middle Eastern houses, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for a price. Smells much more expensive, but I paid for it. I paid under £30 for it, and for that price this is a bargain. But it's a complete departure from the other Shaghafs. I had Shaghaf Aswad, which was black bottle, Shaghaf Azraq, which was blue bottle, and this one is Shaghaf Abyad, which is a white bottle, but it's complete departure. It's nothing not much similarity between them. This one is much more smokier, it's darker, is greener, and the green here is on the dark side of the green. It's not a happy green, it's a quite a dense and thick green. It's leafy, is earthy, is herbal feel to it. Very herbal, and quite a, right now it's a little bit on the bright side, and the brightness comes from some citruses, and the citrus here is like a combination of bergamot and a lemon. But overall it's not a happy fragrance. It's quite a dense and thick and resinous fragrance. Quite peppery, quite incensey, quite smoky, quite spicy in the meantime. What a complex fragrance, very complex. Definitely incense. I smell myrrh, I smell frankincense, I smell some resins, and the resins in here most likely to be oud. Oud is in the base and I can smell it and detect it, but at the moment is in the background. Definitely deep dense amber. So it's amber in here, but it's dense, is thick, is on the dark side. So it's a dark amber and it's deep and is very, very thick and heavy amber in here. Definitely woody, and the woods are a combination of sandalwood, oud, and a little bit of cedar as well to give it that very, very woody base. It's, the base is very, very heavy, and that heavy base is lifting everything up and is just basically shadowing everything. At the moment it's quite green, herbal, leafy, earthy, smoky, incensey, spicy. What kind of spice? Definitely leathery, patchouli as well. Patchouli is here, is very earthy and is a little bit on the chocolatey side. But what to take from it, the second I smelled it was very familiar to me, and it is very similar to Amouage Interlude Man. So if you like Amouage Interlude Man, you love this for the price. Open beautifully, open very, very similar to Amouage, around 90% plus, easy. To be honest with you, I prefer this one to Amouage, because Amouage, beautiful, I love it, but this one is a little bit more wearable, and the reason is because a little bit less say challenging. Okay, so it is still quite challenging if you are a person who love their fresh fragrances, easygoing fragrances, crowd pleasing fragrances. This is too much for you. Probably you will have a shock. But if you're like me, you have extensive, you know, you're somebody who collects perfumes and been around perfumes for a long time, and you love different genres, you love this, because this is beauty in a bottle. It's done to perfection. It's very balanced, very smooth, it's very rounded, and the ingredients for the price is amazing. It smells like Interlude Man, which is £250 for 100 ml, and this one is under £30, so you do the math. Very, very good. Highly, highly recommend it for first impression. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. Absolutely up my alley. I love this kind of fragrances. I'm a middle-aged man, I'm a Middle Eastern man, so this is up my alley naturally. The leather is coming up a little bit more now, it's getting a little bit darker, but those touches are still lingering. So what to take from the first impression: smoky, incensey, spicy, dark, leathery, oudy, woody, what else, earthy, dense, thick, smoky, green, and the green in here is a shadow green, so it's a dark green, and leafy, earthy, grassy, but the grass again is on the dark side. Okay, so this is what to take from this first impression. So if you like this kind of fragrances, this is up your alley, but for majority of people this could be a little bit on the challenging side and a little bit on the shocking side, because it could be a little bit on the challenging side, as Amouage Interlude Man is. In terms of age, definitely I would say 30 and up to be in the safe side, 30 years and older, yes. In terms of sex, it's absolutely unisex to my nose. Anybody can wear it, ladies and men, but because it's a little bit on the heavy and denser thing, and the notes in here, it leans a little bit on the masculine side. In terms of the age, as I said, 30 and up. In terms of season, this is definitely for cooler weather. It's very, very cooler weather. It shouts for this time of year, for in the middle of winter. This works perfectly. It just lifts the mood, lifts you, and it just puts you in the right direction in terms of mood and happiness. It just, for me, at least for me, the second I smelled it, it just made me happy. In terms of occasion, this is definitely for going out, evening, special occasion, and formal occasion and things like that. But because the price is right, because it's affordable, is accessible, is you know, the price is you know, in a way that it doesn't hurt the pocket, you can use it anytime, anywhere else you want. It's just a recommendation. Overall, yes, I give it 2 thumbs up. Just gorgeous perfumery, very good. smell amazing, but with a big but, this is not for everybody. You need to know your taste. So if your taste is what I described, then this is up your alley. If you're not, probably you better stay away from this. Okay guys, so that was the first impression for Shaghaf Oud Abyad by Swiss Arabian. If you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. Subscribe, like, comment, share this video with others. All these things will help this channel to keep afloat. Last night I was checking so many channels that they don't produce videos anymore, and it's very good reason, because they don't get the support, and this hobby is very expensive, and they, after a while, they just give up. They can't carry on. So if you want me to carry on and keep bringing you fragrances like this in future, please don't hesitate. That I appreciate those very much. So if you want to support me by buying one of my own perfumes, yes, that way you can do that, unless but you need to be living in United Kingdom, because unfortunately the post doesn't allow me to post it anywhere else. That's a big headache and a big heartache for me. So if you are a lucky one who live in United Kingdom and you want to get something beautiful, and support me that way and get something very gorgeous and very mysterious, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, unique, artistic, you can't find them anywhere else. It's just from me, because the ingredients are come from my country, Iran, Persia, and that's why they call the scent of Persia. And there are 20 of them in my lineup, and they're all amazing quality. The second you smell them, you know this is the highest quality you can get, especially for the price. I leave them in the link. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye bye bye.